Alright.
Alright, everybody. So, this is what I did.
Of the 42-inch.
20.
Not sure what color that is. I believe that's the espresso finished Harbor Breeze Overcoat ceiling fan that is installed in the exercising room of my house. It was put up here in about I'd say about September of 2005, when my dad was getting done finishing the basement at our house here. So, yeah, I guess I'll pick up the phone now and give you guys a closer look at it. Alright, so here it is. And like I just said, I believe it is the espresso finish. I'm not 100% sure. You guys can tell me in the comments if you know what finish that is. The blade brackets on them are kind of interesting because they sort of resemble the blade brackets that are on a Hampton Bay, San Marino, and Carousel 2 ceiling fan. I've also seen some Walmart fans that have these kind of brackets as well. It's got very basic shades to it, probably the most basic shades I've ever seen on a ceiling fan before. It's got 3 bulbs in it. It's got that bulb right there. I'm not sure what kind of bulb that is. I know a lot of lighting collectors out there would probably know what kind of bulb that is, but I don't know what kind of bulb that is. Then it's got 2 CFLs. I believe they're 40 watt, but I'm not too sure. These are the original pull chains to it. They have never been replaced in all of the 13 and a half years that we've had this fan in here. It's got non-reversible blades. It's white on this side and white on that side. You can also see the top of the fan, kind of. So, you know, it's just a ceiling fan. It's pretty basic. Nothing too great about it. You can see the reversing switch right there. You know, it's just a very basic ceiling fan. Really, the only really coolish thing about it, I guess, is the blade brackets, but even those aren't that cool. You know, it's kind of like a builder fan, I guess. It's sort of like a ventless builder fan, sort of. You know, builder fans have vents on the bottom of the motor housing. This fan doesn't, but it still has vents on the top of the motor housing. So, yeah, I guess that's about all I have to say about it. Now, let's get to the demonstration. Alright, here goes the light. You can see all 3 bulbs are in their working order.
3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, so
there's low.
Look at this.
And by the way, I'm sorry if the lighting is not that good for you guys. It's because there's no other lights in this room that are in this room besides the light bulbs on the fan, and I know you guys wouldn't really like it if I left the lights on throughout the video, so I brought in a lamp in here and took the shade off of it so you can see the fan a little bit better, but you know, that's about the best I can do. It's got a pretty nice low speed. I feel a little bit of air back here.
Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. Oh,
there's medium. The best I can do. It's at a pretty nice low speed. I feel a little bit of air back here.
Okay, it goes right.
In here and took the shade off of it so you can see the fan a little bit better, but you know, that's about the best I can do. It's at a pretty nice low speed. I feel a little bit of air back here. There's medium.
There's medium. What that like?
It's starting to make a little bit of a noise, but you know, it's not like absolutely annoying, but it's still making a little noise. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's actually somewhat of a relaxing noise instead of an annoying noise. And here's high. And here's high.
Okay.
And here's high.
Okay, yes. After. Wait. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Okay. Okay.
And here's high.
Okay, here's high. Oh, come on. Okay. That's right.
It blows a good amount of air. These overcoats generally aren't really supposed to be very good fans, but this is pushing out some decent air.
Except.
The thing I really like about this fan, it does not wobble at all. Does not wobble. It's really a pretty good fan. Here's the top shot of it while turning on the high.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
All right.
Alright, that's it.
EP HD remake video of the 42-inch espresso.
6 inch. 6 inch. First, number 3.
So, I believe, Harbor Breeze Ochre Coke ceiling fan that is installed at my house. So, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.
Sarah fucking house. Sarah fucking hospital. I swear. Alright.